joy! I found this in the warehouse.
Here, take a look at this section.
A treasure map.
That's great, we can search for it.
That is the old wreck of the Sea Crown. Many people have searched for it, but no one has ever found the treasure.
Can we look?
Only if you stay close together, follow the safety line, and return before your air gets low.
Ready? We found it!
The treasure must be inside.
We are here for the chest, not every shiny thing.
You sound like Captain Mara.
We need to be careful. This place is falling apart.
This is the symbol of this boat.
The treasure!
Jack, I think something lives here.
Probably a crab.
What is that? That was not a crab. We really found it.
It is stealing our treasure. Jack, let go.
It is not taking it. It is protecting it.
Take the chest. I can make it out.
But the oxygen tank is leaking. The treasure can stay.
Wait.
We will push the box towards it.
It is letting us go. Then let's go before it changes its mind.
We can fit through there.
It saved me.
me. He's so kind.
You broke several safety rules. You entered an unstable wreck, moved a dangerous object, and nearly ran out of air.
We are sorry. It was my fault too.
The important thing is that you came back alive.
The chest is part of a balance system. If it moves, the lower room collapses.
The octopus must have learned that the chest keeps its home safe.
It was guarding its home.
A gold coin.
It fell into my pocket when the chest opened.
Of course it did.
Here you go, young man.
A gift.
Then we did bring back treasure.